Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be doing the Mystique challenge with our again, he's not a special guest anymore because he's been in like a bunch of videos. X-Ray 2012 equals Gavin. Yes. Gavin.
Hello.
Hi. Gavin, what are we doing today?
We're gonna do the Mystique challenge.
And if you don't know how to do the Mystique challenge, so it's basically but Gavin know where
You know how to do the Mystique challenge. If you want to do the Mystique challenge for yourself, go ahead.
So if you don't know how to do the Mystique challenge,
Just watch the whole entire video.
and also this is how you do it. So when you kill someone, so say you got loot, or you got an AR, a golden scar, and then you kill someone with the golden scar. You have to transform into them, drop the golden scar, and take all their loot. Okay? So that's how you do it. And we'll see you in the game. Bye! So guys, so Gavin will explain to you what since Gavin doesn't have Mystique, he'll just explain to you what his challenge is. Gavin, go tell him. Go.
My challenge is, every single time you kill someone with one weapon, say you kill them with a sniper, you can't kill you can't kill another person with a sniper because you have to use a different weapon to kill them.
Yeah, okay. So guys, we'll see you when we land. We're on the battle bus, guys, and
I think we should land where there are dinosaurs.
no, but dinosaurs could kill you, so yeah.
Wait, we can go to where a boar pit, like where a boar place is. All we have to do is get the boar, kill it, then we get some meat. All you need to do is get meat, and you need bones to do it, to get a hunter's cloak.
We need to get a hunter's cloak.
And you need a hunter's cloak to do it.
And if you kill an animal, you
It doesn't count.
yeah, that doesn't count as a person. You don't have to.
Here's one weapon. That's two weapons. So I got two choices to kill people with. No, I like it. Who was that? Was that you?
I'm crafting a hunter's cloak right now.
Wait, hold on. Do you have... Okay. I need to get a hunter's cloak too. Oh, person. I killed him, so now I can't kill somebody with this weapon.
I'm gonna shake him down. You have to drop that weapon.
No, I don't. No, it's not. I have to kill somebody with another weapon.
You gotta kill him. I ran out of ammo.
Oh, it's a good thing.
I killed him. I gotta drop this weapon.
Literally about to die.
I don't have to drop my hunter's cloak, okay? Now I gotta transform into him.
Okay, now I gotta kill him with this. Oh, help!
Knock that guy.
Behind you! Come on, heal me, quick. I don't want to die. This is good. Now I know I need a hunter's cloak. So if you find dinosaurs, you can tame them.
Mm-hmm.
But, really, you both need hunter's cloak or else I can't be near you if that happens.
much good?
No. I have literally 1 HP. You gotta take a lot. I have 1 HP.
But you have shield, Gavin.
Yeah, because I just died.
Res me.
I will. Because I have to drop you into the school. And then now I can revive you.
You should have did it.
What?
You should have done it into the bush. That'd be safer.
No, this is safer. Hey, there's 2 minis. Well, I thought I was lower than you. Look, 2 minis. I think I'm lower than you. Yeah, I'm lower than you. Do you have any beats? Do you have thinking about anything?
I just gave you some bandages.
Destroy trees. Yes. Okay, now I gotta destroy trees. How many trees? I have no idea. First tree done. Oh, I need to destroy 10 trees.
Gavin, kill that animal over there, okay?
Where?
Over there, then you can craft a hunter's cloak.
Where?
I'll kill it for you.
No, wait, no. I want to. Okay.
Just take it stuff. Now craft a hunter's cloak.
Miles, you have to get off in like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Put it on.
We're trying to find a dinosaur. Well, it's a raptor.
Wait, what?
What?
Did you find one?
No, I'm looking for a raptor. They're usually not that close to Weeping Woods. They're usually like outside of Weeping Woods, like
But
right next to Weeping Woods.
this is where. No, but this is where. Imagine you see a raptor killing someone.
If I kill this person, I should.
If I kill it, oh, I would die if I kill it.
At least you had better loot.
Oh, give me that, now.
Drop that. Get that. Pick that up.
Hey, give me that.
What?
That was mine.
Wait, would you rather have a blue one of it?
I don't care right now because we're about to die.
Well, I'm.
You're welcome. Okay, now can I have it?
I dropped it.
Thank you. Okay, now we can't go there. There's no circle.
No, but we're looking for a raptor, right?
Yeah, because raptors are where.
Wait, did you put your
Just follow
Gabby? You know your hunter cloak ran out. You should save your hunter cloak, right?
Yeah, but I can still do it again.
Wait, you have enough to craft another one?
No, I don't have to. I don't have to craft another hunter skull.
But you're not wearing your hunter's cloak.
Yeah, because I don't have to. You have to only do it when you see a raptor. Now follow me. There are sometimes in the woods.
Let's run.
No.
Let's run to circle, okay?
Okay, right now what we have to do is go to circle. You know what? Do we have to do this mystique challenge? Just saying.
Why don't you want to do it? It was your idea.
Well, I am. I killed 2 people with 1 gun.
You could kill you know what? You could kill the same duo with 1 gun.
Okay, you can kill the same duos. But if it's not the same...
Wait, I just realized my thing went off.
How about this? You can kill 2 people with the same gun.
Okay. The raptors should be around here somewhere. According to my calculations, raptors are not.
You don't even have a formula.
Raptors. No, Gavin. Raptors sometimes are like. Raptors are sometimes like. I found a raptor! I found two!
Hold on, I'm in the middle of the match.
Miles, you gotta start cleaning your room.
Hey, you found the raptor?
Yeah.
Did you hear me?
Raptor. Look, this is...
Tame.
It's evil. No. Raptor.
Why did you just kill my raptor?
Only one was one.
Yeah, we can only have one raptor, so like.
Come on.
Miles, did you hear me?
What?
You have to start cleaning your room.
Just in a minute.
We gotta go.
We need to stick together now that we have a dinosaur. Come on, buddy.
Look, I have a pet dinosaur. What? Look, see? Oh, it's me. Woo!
I'm gonna tame one, okay? Let me tame one.
You're not killing them. You're not killing them.
No.
I'm not gonna let you.
No! I tamed it. Now I have a pet wolf, and you,
How did you get a wolf?
because I put my hunter's cloak back on. Come on, Wolfie.
Come on, I have to get gold. Yes, I got 100.
Just
Come on, Barney. I'm calling you Barney now.
Barney the dinosaur.
Yeah, I'm calling you Barney. Barney, purple dinosaur. Wait, where was yours?
Wolfie. His name is Wolfie, and Wolfie's coming.
Mine's
Guys, I'll be there. I'll be right back. So we hired Cluck. That's the.
I hired Claw.
Well, yeah. I got the pet wolf, which my wolf is very. Yeah, I don't want to talk about my wolf.
What's happening?
And I'll be right back again.
Yes.
So Gavin named his pet Barney for some reason, like Barney the dinosaur. The purple dinosaur.
Barney the purple.
My wolf. Wait, I'm gonna Gavin. Just stand. We need to.
Barney.
Cluck. We have a pet chicken now. We have a human chicken, pet chicken. He's sort of like Meowsicles, just a.
I wish I could ride him. Oh my god.
Train going down the steps.
People!
Hold on.
Change.
Oh yeah.
Change the gym.
Coming.
People knocked me. Go, Wolf, go! No, Wolfie's about to die. Wolfie might die. Wolfie's gonna die. And I'll tell you one thing, guys. We might not win. So I'll tell you if we win. We did not win, and we also died by a mystique. So for realsies, peace.